there's always stuff to be learned by just watching. And it's one of my favorite shows for a long time. Figure I'll start with some, not the main character. Start with an interesting one, nevertheless. So the hair, I'm not gonna color in the hair. That's just gonna take, or fill in the hair. That's just gonna take too long. I'm just gonna do a rough structure sketch. So if I was to show you where the eyes would be, it would be right around here. I'll draw two lines, right? And then we draw a line that divides the face down the middle. Nose, this angle we're kind of looking up from below. Here would be where the chin is, and between shadow of the nose, mouth, and here will be the corner of the mouth. I know it looks weird right now, but let's give it a shot. So now I'm gonna start to putting down some details. Where did the music go? Oh, there we go. Okay. And this part here is important. Don't want to screw this eye up. If you have color, of course, color the eyes yellow like that of a snake for obvious reasons. And this would be one of the very rare cases where the pupil is not a circle, but like snake, it's gonna be just a slit. Okay. Maybe the hair covers the face here, and then we have the mouth. And then the nose. Just some shading to establish the shape. Sometimes you can pretty often actually, you can establish the shape of something without using lines, just a patch of shadow or something. Grab an eraser. I think I made this part here a little bit too dark. Don't need this part to be that dark. I don't want him to feel like there's he's having like a mustache or anything. But the most important thing is that the eye does feel like him, and that's always the most crucial part. And his ear is probably down here. Gonna roughly outline stuff. He's wearing that weird earring. His neck comes down. Here I'm just gonna draw some very rough lines for the hair so you get the idea. If you have time, this will be the area that's completely almost pitch black. I'm not gonna do that. And here maybe there's a hair that comes all the way across the face. That'd be kind of interesting. The point is to capture that sinister feel, right? And you can always devote the time for the details, but yeah, I think we captured his look. This portion here, the eyes, the way his frowns, the nose, the position of the mouth. These are the important parts. Everything else just takes time, but not necessarily that difficult. His mouth is extremely wide, like that of a snake. Forget that. So yeah, so this is and I think this kind of style is actually really cool. Orochimaru from Naruto. Maybe I'll draw Naruto or Sasuke or something next. Depends. I did a whole bunch of anime sketches like Dragon Ball, Naruto, Bleach, Ippo. If you guys like to see these, I'll do more, you know. Let me know. And make sure you subscribe to my channel. The paper moved. Make sure to subscribe to my channel for more videos, and I'll see you guys next time. Alright, thanks for watching. Later.